So we almost there, and right now we are on step 12, comments for admin user. The thing is that during the testing we figure out that React Social Share version 4.4 is not supporting a Facebook counter. Oh, it is supporting, but it's buggy. Also, that Facebook Messenger is not working correctly on mobile phones. Actually, it's trying to open the website instead of the mobile application and throws the error. And we decided that there is no actual need to add social share buttons to the homepage, at least for now. So what we're going to do, we're going to add these comments for an admin user, so to make them know that some features are not working or not working correctly, or that we are waiting for update of the social share packages. So let's do that. First of all, we need to all the time we're going to work with social share XML. So let's add the comment for the homepage that we're not going to support it. Let's open social share.xml. Let's find the field for the homepage and add it to here. Yeah. Next, we're going to add a field for a Facebook counter that it is not working, and also we adding the link for the issue. Oh, not in this step. We're just saying that it's not working for now. And Facebook Messenger. Let's copy paste the whole of it. And for a Facebook Messenger, we're adding that not working on mobile devices, waiting for update, and the pull request with a fix for that issue. So let's flash the cache and take a look if our changes take place. As usually, just because we flash the cache, it's going to take some time page to load. So yeah, here is the Facebook Messenger notice for Facebook counter and for the homepage. Thank you and see you in our final step.